In today's video, I'll show you how to add keywords in Yoast SEO to boost your content's search visibility. First, open the poster page you want to optimize in WordPress. Look for the Yoast SEO meta box at the bottom of the editor or as a sidebar in Gutenberg. This is your hub for optimizing content. Next, enter your focus keyphrase, the main keyword you want your page to rank for. Yoast SEO will instantly analyze your content and provide tips to improve your keyword usage. Make sure your key phrase appears in your title, headings, first paragraph, URL, meta description and image alt text. If you are using Yoast Premium, you can also add secondary or related key phrases to expand your reach. Once done, click Save or Update to apply your changes. And that's it. Adding keywords correctly with Yoast SEO helps search engines understand your content and improves your chances of ranking higher.